Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this phone stand out of air-dried clay all by yourself. The clay you see in the video can be bought at action stores. Then, cut it the way I show you and start shaping it into a cat. To make it nice and smooth, you can add a little bit of water. Once you've finished sculpting, let it dry in the sun for 48 hours. When it's completely dry, start smoothing the surface and remove any dust with a brush. Next, we can paint the cat using acrylic paint. I chose orange, white, and brown. When the paint is fully dry, apply a layer of special clay varnish or sealer. Let it dry, and there you go. Our cute little cat-shaped phone stand is ready. It's so adorable, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you soon.